Good day and welcome to Coffee Connect with Gert. And I've got my hot flask here because it's quite cold today in Cape Town and all clouded outside. Cold front is moving in. So yeah, we are in for some rain and some colder weather. Not yet winter, but it's quite chilly out there. Anyway, what I want to talk to you about today I call it your mental showcase. Jou denkbeeldige vertoonkas vir die Afrikaanse mense. Denkbeeldige vertoonkas. Your mental showcase. Now, what is a mental showcase? That's all those things that you can call into remembrance from your past. In our past, there are things that we need to remember, but there's also things we need to forget. Or say, see the good in the day. Deal with the bad, but see the good in the day and focus on that. But I'll come to that back to that one just now. So for now, let's focus on the mental showcase. So the things that happen in your life, all the victories, all the breakthroughs, all the things where you achieved really success in your life, that's the things that you put in your mental showcase. And those things stay there. That's things that you keep in your memory bank. And when you really experience these dry days, these difficult days, these challenging days that's really getting to you, then you first go and get to a place where you can quiet yourself. Go take a drive in your car, put on some music, and just get your soul quiet. Still the storms in your life. And then you take time and you just go through this mental showcase of yours and you take time to relive those moments, those specific times and things that happen in your life. And remembering those times will encourage you and said you can say then to yourself, I can do it then, I can do it now. I've overcome this issue in the past. I can overcome this one that's now before me as well. And it's always good to have all these things, bring them into remembrance when difficult times hit you. So yeah, that's our mental showcase, and it's a very very nice thing to have. And I've worked with this thing a lot in my own life. And yes, sometimes things doesn't go according to plan. Things doesn't go as well as we'd like it to go. But once we start remembering the past, the good things that happened, we can put away the negatives. And that's why I've lived this lifestyle since 2000 and about 14, 15, 15, 16, about see the good in the day. And see the good in the day just means just be aware of the good things that happen in your life. Every day may not be good, but there certainly is good in every day. And we have to focus on those things. We have to teach ourselves. We have to live a life where we actually notice those good things in life and focus on them and deal with the bad, whatever the bad may be. Deal with it. Close that book. Put it away. Get it out of the way. Don't ponder on it for days. Don't let it hamper your thinking and override your thoughts and everything. Just be there always to make your days bad. Sort it out, whatever the case may be. If you have to say, I'm sorry, then do it. If you have to forgive, forgive. If you have to just deal with something, just deal with it. And get the things that's bad in your life, the negative things, get it out of the way and focus on the good. And once you focus on the good and you keep on remembering the good things that happened in your past, you will move forward at a much faster pace and a better pace and be in a better space yourself in life. So yeah, that's what my message this morning, today. Mental showcase. Remember your mental showcase and always use it whenever needed. It's yours. It's in your mind. You can use it whenever you want, any place, anywhere. It's always there, and it will help you through the difficult times. I hope this helped anybody. This is Coffee Connect with Gert. And please leave me a comment, like and share my message if it benefited you, if you learn something about it. And I've got a school platform as well. Go check out my link and go to school and just come on board in the school program. And I'll see you there. Have a great weekend. We'll talk again on Monday.